Hi, I'm Dr. Bennett. I'm here with Linda. She just recently started and she's feeling great, and I just want her to kind of tell you a little bit about how she's doing and what's going on. So, what did you initially come in for?
I came in for severe knee pain. I couldn't stand without having pain in my knee, and I just needed some help.
We took X-rays, and what kind of showed up on the?
I have a severely decompressed meniscus disc, and it's almost like bone on bone and causing severe pain. So I'm glad I'm wearing that because they're all taking good care of me.
Yeah. So we're doing some decompression on the knee, trying to open that space up, and then she's also doing something called PRP, where we kind of inject platelets and kind of the growth factors of her own blood back into that knee to help kind of heal some of that meniscus. And how's it feeling so far? I mean, you've only done a few treatments here.
I've done 3 treatments so far of the decompression, and my knee is already feeling much better. I'm able to walk without the stabbing pain, so that's a plus. And I'm looking forward to doing things pain-free all the time.
Going forward, yes. Well, thank you, Linda. I'm glad you're feeling awesome. This is really cool stuff.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone.